Ever wondered why dropshipping can feel like navigating a maze for beginners? It's because it's a business model that, while lucrative, comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the most common obstacles that beginners face is finding a reliable supplier. There's a sea of suppliers out there, and it can be tough distinguishing the trustworthy ones from the rest. Another hurdle is managing inventory. Unlike traditional retail, where you have physical control over your stock, in dropshipping, you're at the mercy of your supplier. This can lead to issues like stockouts and delays, which can harm your reputation. Then there's the challenge of customer service. In dropshipping, customers are your responsibility, but many issues are out of your control. This can create a tricky balancing act between appeasing customers and managing supplier relations. But what if we told you there's a simpler way to overcome these hurdles? Introducing Wix Dropshipping Apps, your secret weapon to conquer dropshipping challenges. These handy tools are designed to streamline your dropshipping operations. They automate tasks such as product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment, saving you from the complexities of handling these processes manually. Not only do they make dropshipping easier, but they also help increase your efficiency and potential for success. Now let's dive into the top 5 Wix dropshipping apps that can turn your dropshipping journey into a breeze. Ready to explore the top 5 Wix dropshipping apps? Buckle up. First off, we have Modalist. Modalist is renowned for its ease of use, making it a great starting point for beginners. With Modalist, you can seamlessly integrate with suppliers from the US and Europe. This app also brings automation into the picture, handling everything from inventory updates to order tracking. With this tool at your disposal, you can focus on growing your business, not managing it. Next up is Spocket. Spocket stands out for its extensive supplier network from the US, Europe, and Asia. This app lets you automate order processing and tracking, simplifying your workload. Plus, its exceptional customer service support ensures you're never left in the dark. The third app on our list is Oberlo. Oberlo is a popular choice due to its vast product selection and its easy integration with Wix. Oberlo also offers a free pricing tier, making it an attractive option for those just starting out in the dropshipping world. Fourth, we have Printful. Printful is a bit different as it specializes in print-on-demand dropshipping. If you're looking to sell custom products, Printful could be your go-to app. It boasts a user-friendly interface and excellent customer service support. Lastly, we have Deesers. Deesers is favored for its speedy bulk ordering feature, which can be a game changer for businesses dealing with high volumes. The app also supports multiple suppliers for a single product, providing you with flexibility and better pricing options. Each of these apps has its unique strengths. Modalist and Spocket provide extensive automation, while Oberlo offers a free pricing tier for the budget-conscious. Printful caters to those interested in print-on-demand, and Deesers is perfect for high-volume businesses. Remember, the best app for you will depend on your specific needs and business model. So take your time, do your research, and choose an app that aligns with your dropshipping goals. So, these were the top 5 Wix dropshipping apps that can revolutionize your dropshipping journey. That's a wrap on our exploration of the top 5 Wix dropshipping apps. We've dug into each one, highlighting their unique features and how they can help navigate the challenges we discussed earlier. From automating tasks with Oberlo, finding reliable suppliers through Spocket, to optimizing your store with Modalist, each app offers a unique solution. Choose the app that best suits your needs, and watch your dropshipping business thrive. Happy dropshipping!